Fortunate losses against contenders. The more painful one was that of Mikawayan when they were up 16 till Argente said night-night. They lost to another one in Cebu, no? This time a double-digit loss. Very humble but hardworking. Biro nga ni Jacob Galicia. Ang gagaling na nga, puro sikat pa, no? Sino ba naman kami talaga? Sabi niya, sa bagay, kung may Jake Figueroa, edi sige, Jake Galicia ako.
MoneyPay, the digital wallet built for the community. The important thing for them is, well, it's a cliche really, but to learn from it.
Kasi kung hindi, tuluyan silang mababangungutan.
Jacob Galicia, fast break. Di ba pwede yun?
Alam mo, wala akong bala kahit na all-star executive. Lalo na executive, so meaning maraming matatanda dyan. Wala akong balak.
Si Richard Jefferson, ginawa yan sa NBA. Ba't di mo gawin dito?
Ba, na-insulto ko nun.
101-55. Patino, fake handoff. Nakawala sa depensa ni Galicia. Rebound, Trex de los Reyes. Oy, Redel Fabro. Nakabutas galing sa tres. Tingnan natin.
Marami rin siyang oras nung UP Fighting Marunche.
Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas.
Itong si Janjan.
Lambino nawala sa kanya yung bola. Tumatakbo si Redel Fabro. Bumitbet. Lazy din. 55 puntos ulit ang lamang. Games coming up. Talking about tong Pasig. They have Bulacan next on their schedule. Which, even though Bulacan has been struggling.
Now, you're giving me an idea of what Naj has to deal with. You know, in your years of marriage. In MPBL, in my opinion, when he suited up for Bicol.
Bicol, tama.
Yeah.
Magkasama sila ni Alwin Aldain noon, di ba?
Tsaka si Ron J. Buenafe.
Tama.
Who I believe right now lives in Dubai. Works and lives in Dubai.
Uy, unang season ko din yun. Pero hindi ako nandito sa upuan na ito.
Mark.
Pero mintis.
Kasi, ngayon, connecting all the dots na binanggit mo yan, ikaw yun eh.
Wala noon. So
Wala.
anyway, wala. Nung in-announce ko na yung coach ng Valenzuela, nagkamali ako. Naka-tight shot kay Ron J. Enrile. Ibang klaseng manlalaro.
Ang galing ha. Gusto ko yung biglang biglang bawi mo ha.
Trex de los Reyes pumukpok sa ilalim. Gonzalez will push it. Pass to Janjan. Behind the back. Trex with the hammer. This is the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Malaksak si Jorel Gonzalez. Wakali.
Maybe 6-8 weeks ago, had that big game in Quezon City.
Isa pa.
Sa pagdunk.
Attended University of Abra. Kung saan naglalaro sila pag may home game. Doon sa gym nila doon. 20 points, 11 rebounds siya noon.
Right, and that was, I believe, a double-digit win. One of the worst losses
Of Rizal.
ng Rizal.
30 seconds left. Redel Fabro, short. Lambino, napulot din ulit yung rebound. Pero tinapon lang. Coming matchup with Binyan. What do you think about that, Coach Chris?
Next game,
Next game, Sabado.
ganda yan.
Counted yun, ha?